what's going on, everyone? Zeekman here. Spring is sprung here in New York City, and I'm at one of my favorite spots in the city, Washington Square Park. Just gonna do a little walk around. People are starting to come out. They sell a lot of stuff. People are always entertaining around here, so let's see what we can find out. So one thing that's cool is, this is usually where the fountain is, but it's not on yet, so everyone's using it as like entertainment spots and skateboarding. A nice little move. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Got all kinds of jewelry. Wow, these are nice. So much fun here at Washington Square Park, always.
Oh yeah, they're the one I see first.
They tell me that I'm wasting time. Tell me something I don't know. You left fingerprints across my mind. I try covering them, but they still show. If I had a choice, and whether or not I'd be moved on from you by now. If I had a voice or a shot at letting you go, putting you down, you know I would, but still I miss you. from start to end. Oh, but honestly, I'm scared that now we fucked it up too much now for us to be friends. I'm not trying to say it's all on you. I've made my share of mistakes. I know I'm no saint, but it was you that broke the other half of this heartbreak. I hate you now, but still I miss you. And it's hard, 'cause my heart doesn't want to. No, I know that it's no good. I should never look back. No, I keep thinking about the good times. Memories like songs. I keep hitting rewind, rewind, rewind. Play that one again. First day that we met, before the start of our end had even happened yet. Play that one again. The night you took her out, the day after you said you wanted me without a doubt. Maybe then I can put an end to glorifying you, everything you put me through. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I miss you. And it's hard, 'cause my heart doesn't want to. No, and I know that it's no good, and I should never look back. No, but I keep thinking about the good times. Memories like songs. I keep hitting rewind, rewind, rewind. Like songs. I keep hitting, I keep hitting rewind, rewind, rewind. Like songs. I keep hitting rewind.
So once everyone comes out of hibernation, this whole area is lined up with like a lot of vendors selling food and arts and crafts.
I can only get one of the things.
Couple food carts here. Alright guys, just a little quick walkthrough here. Washington Square Park, New York City. We'll be coming back here along the summer as things kind of build up, but Just wanted to show you that New York City is back and alive. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great spring, summer, and I'll see you guys again soon. Like, share, and subscribe. See you later.